Why do you think Hong Kong is an ideal location for you to set up this crowdfunding platform?
So AngelHub is the first SFC licensed equity crowdfunding platform here in Hong Kong. And before setting up AngelHub, actually, we have been fostering the startup ecosystem with our other company, AngelHub, which is the biggest startup community here in Hong Kong. So we have been deeply immersed into this startup scene for the past 4 years, and we have seen how much it has grown exponentially. Hong Kong is located in the center of Asia, providing a lot of opportunities for a company to come, start their business here and scale in the region. So you have, it's easy to set up and to test your market because the population is highly connected and highly diverse.
But we have this ongoing trade war, and the economy is going to have a slowdown this year. Do you think that's a challenging year?
Yeah, of course, it's a challenging year, but I think as entrepreneur, I prefer to see that challenges brings also a lot of opportunities. When we had the crisis in 2008, it was really challenging for everybody all over the world, but it's also, kind of thanks to this crisis that we saw a lot of new companies that emerged, especially in fintech, and also especially in equity crowdfunding platforms that started kind of after this crisis, because banks were not able to provide funding to this, early stage company.
But many of these startups actually are quite risky because a lot of startups actually collapse eventually. Does it mean that your platform actually will be a risky business?
Yeah, of course, it's very risky to invest into early stage company, much more riskier than invest into listed company. But the potential return is also higher. So you never have, high return with no risk. But we want really to mitigate the risk by providing investors, a really professional due diligence, and also by being immersed into the team. We know the team, and we know how much it's important and how much it's all about the people as well. So we are here also to make sure that the companies that we provide on the platform are vetted not only by us, but also by our investment committees that is comprised of industry experts, serial entrepreneurs, and successful investors.
Finally, do you think that the Greater Bay Area project will help to attract more startups to come to Hong Kong?
Yes, I think, definitely. I mean, Hong Kong is already, a top financial center and now transitioning to a top fintech hub. But now also with, the Greater Bay Area, it's providing, a bigger market for startups to tackle. So that's definitely a big opportunity. We are only, at the beginning, but we already see the impact on how it could attract not only startups, from Europe and from the US, but also startups, to go outside of China.
Thank you for joining our program today.
Thank you very much.